Panguva ino zvonzi general woshaya hope vachireceiva leta yakabata vachiona kuti aiwa kusapoti joko wanoitiwa kana kureplacewa on his duties vofunga zvakawanda vachiona kuti aiwa he risked his life achisavha someone but at the end of the day vova betrayed. Sarambira mashoko amudanyoka panapa vanhu rezim aira muri kuona iri nodibva subscriber like down the bell icon tipina panapa mudanyora achiti Vice President Constantino is sitting alone in his office, staring in disbelief at the official letter bearing the presidential crest. His hands tremble as he reads the words over and over again, each sentence cutting deeper than the last. It's not just a routine announcement, it's a dagger carefully crafted and plunged straight into his back. The man who risked his life and reputation to secure mnangagwa's rise to power is now watching his own political future being dismantled in broad daylight. Kempo Mohadi, scandal plugged, derided and unworthy, is in the eyes of many, is being named acting president for a full 20 days. Chiwenga, the architect of the 2017 coup that ousted Araji Mugabe, is being relegated to a mere afterthought, given just 11 days to act before Mnangagwa returns. The letter is a clear signal. Mohadi, Shepherd Bushiri's spiritual son and business associate of the controversial Wikinojivayo, is the favored one now. The letter is more than an insult, it's a declaration of war. Chiwenga knows this move is not accidental, it's deliberate, calculated and designed to weaken him. He glances at the clock. Time is slipping away. If this is the beginning of the end, he must act swiftly and decisively. The room feels suffocating as he reaches for his phone. Plans must be made. A counter strike must be executed. Tomashukana mudanyogwanwa kumana aya vemzimu aya vachidescribe vachitsanangura kuti aiwa panguva inoi aiwa vipi vanyatsokurejosiwa kuisiwa aiwa kumadhaka chaiko. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutikudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi aiwa pinako message imene tudze mafungiro enyu subscribe like